There's a lot to be a member of the Ramblers. You've got people you meet, the places you go to. We help prepare paths for other people to walk.
We're very lucky here, really, because there are a lot of footpaths, in Gower here, and it is a lot to ask the council to maintain all these. So it's nice to help clear paths to make them more accessible for people.
We believe the paths in this area are probably some of the best around, but they always need maintenance, and it's good, I believe, for the landowner as well as the walkers, because if everybody knows exactly where the path is, then they can follow it much more easily.
I've been with the Ramblers for 10 years, and I was one of the people with the Ramblers group that initially got involved with the footpath clearance and work maintenance group. We started 7 years ago. The first year was just cutting and chopping. The local council then suggested that we became competent with power tools, and they volunteered to pay for the one-day training programme to train half a dozen of us, and it's just moved from there.
When our leaders find a path that's blocked or needs clearing, if it's just clearance type work, then they can fill in a form which details the path and the work to be done, and I forward that to the council.
Once a fortnight we have a small work party with the Swansea Ramblers. They come out and we improve paths that they're going to actually take walks out on the weekend. So they'll go out and do a little recce, and if there's any problems with any obstructions on the path, then we'll get together and we'll go out as a group and sort of get the path ready for them when they take a walk out.
They're a great organised body because they give us feedback from their walks, so if there are any issues, then we're aware of them, because it's such a huge network that we need people to walk them and let us know. They've been a real help to us fulfilling what we need to do with the rights of way.
It's very social. You get good exercise, you see the elements, and you see some absolutely beautiful scenery, and it's just a very nice thing to do. They're a nice bunch of people.